Today we are making a classic French tarte tatin with deeply caramelized apples and flaky puff pastry. This recipe serves 8 and takes about 1 hour and 10 minutes from start to finish. Let us get into it. First, let's check the ingredients. 6 firm apples, peeled, cored, and halved. Choose apples that hold their shape when cooked. 1 sheet of puff pastry, chilled, about 250 grams. Keep it cold for maximum puff. 1 cup of granulated sugar. This will become our deep amber caramel. 6 tablespoons of unsalted butter. It enriches and smooths the caramel. 1 tablespoon of fresh lemon juice. It keeps the apples bright. 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract for a warm aroma. 2 tablespoons of water to help the caramel start evenly. A pinch of salt to balance the sweetness. 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour for dusting the board. Now we'll begin preparing the recipe. Heat the oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Peel, core, and have 6 apples. Toss them with 1 tablespoon lemon juice, 1 teaspoon vanilla extract, and a pinch of salt to prevent browning. Add 1 cup of granulated sugar and 2 tablespoons of water to a 24 cm black cast iron skillet over medium heat. Cook without stirring until the syrup is deep amber, about 6 to 8 minutes, swirling the pan gently if needed. Remove the skillet from the heat and add 6 tablespoons of unsalted butter. Swirl or stir until the caramel becomes smooth and glossy. Arrange the apple halves rounded side down in the skillet, packed tightly. Return to medium heat and cook for 10 minutes, basting the apples with caramel so they begin to soften. On a lightly floured surface, dust with 2 tablespoons of flour and roll out 1 sheet of puff pastry to a circle about 26 centimeters wide, slightly larger than the skillet. Remove the skillet from the heat. Drape the pastry over the apples, tuck the edges down around the fruit, and cut 3 small vents in the center. Transfer the skillet to the oven and bake at 375 degrees Fahrenheit for 25 to 30 minutes, until the pastry is puffed and deep golden brown. Set the skillet on a wire rack and let the tart rest for 10 minutes so the caramel can settle. Run a small knife around the edges to loosen the pastry from the skillet. Place a large serving plate over the skillet. Using oven mitts, hold it firmly and invert quickly to unmold the tart. Lift off the skillet and spoon any caramel left in the pan back over the apples. Cut the tarte tatin into 8 wedges with a sharp knife. Serve the tart warm so the caramel is silky and the pastry is flaky. Now enjoy this incredible recipe with your friends and family. Thanks for watching. If you love this classic tarte tatin, tap like, subscribe for more recipes, and ring the bell so you never miss a video.